Hi guys! Welcome to our channel! Welcome to another episode of Positive Living featuring Kisses! Kisses is 10 years old in human years. Nakatira na siya sa farm. Bumaba lang siya dito sa city for her grooming schedule. Unfortunately, nagkaroon ng dog fight. So, nasugatan si Kisses. Dogs are territorial, kaya feeling nila stranger si Kisses dito. Anyway, for today's episode, I will improvise how to put betadine sa kanyang sugat, antiseptic. Kasi nasasaktan siya pag hinahawakan. Naget? Naget? Okay. Kailangan natin makita yung sugat ni Kisses. Nalagyan na natin ng antiseptic yung sugat ni Kisses. Na-distract natin siya sa blower. Ayan, patutuyuin na lang natin.